Is it dark in here? This is probably one of our favorite little day trips that we take. It's in Park County, Indiana, in Bridgeton. And this is one of the many covered bridges in Park County. And it is just really enjoyable to hang out here, spend time by the water, listening to the waterfalls, and just enjoying being together. Find all of sand, Ellie? This is when I realized that I should have packed extra clothes for the kiddos. Every time they went in the creek and got all wet and then came back to play in the sand, by the end of the day they were completely covered in dirt. Are you gonna dig? What are you digging for? You're trying to find a treasure? Oh, dirty feet are fun though. This was such a fun little stroll through the creek with the two kiddos. And I think what made it even more fun was just meeting the other moms that were out there doing the same thing. It must have been a good tiring day because they were trying to make themselves little sand pillows so they could lay down and rest their heads. So since they were playing in the water, Ellie was pretty wet and did not want to sit down to put her shoes on. So trying to get her shoes on with her being all squirmy and standing up was quite the challenge. You see the bridge? Wait for mommy. So if you do go to the covered bridge, we definitely recommend going to the little store there that they have. Ellie fell in love with the little tiny bottles of maple syrup. She was hugging it and was like begging to take it home just because it was tiny. But it's just a fun little shop where everything is made locally whether it be honey, maple syrup. They grind all their own flours there. Just a really neat stop. What do you see up there? Are you rock climbing?
I can see people.
What do you see from way up here? Do you see the waterfall over there? See it?
We're going hiking.
Are you hiking?
Hiking. On the rock. It's always mountain. Hey, we're not on the mountain. We're not on the mountain. We're on rocks.
If you go to the mill, we definitely recommend checking out the little ice cream shop. It overlooks the waterfall. It's a really beautiful setting, and the ice cream is super yummy. Strawberry.
You don't have strawberry.
Daddy's getting Mom.
You're got strawberry?
I don't know. Is it yummy?
Hey!
Mm-hmm. Thank you guys so much for watching, and before you go, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.